Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for UNO game. So let's get started. Open your UNO application and then make sure that you are inside the main homepage. Now, click on the gear button after loading up your game. In the settings page, tap on Account Center at the bottom right. Now, you'll be able to see this pop up where you need to select one of the sign-in methods and connect your account with either Apple ID, Facebook, Game Center, Mattel 163, or sign in with your Snapchat account. You can also play as a guest if you don't want to sign in yet by tapping on Play as a Guest at the bottom. To sign in with one of these accounts, go ahead and select the account you'd like to log in with. In my case, I've chosen the Game Center option, and with just a simple click of a button, you'll be able to sign up and get started with UNO. That is how you can easily sign up for UNO. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.